You are watching KSG News Explainer. In this video, we are going to talk about NaBFID to be regulated as AIFI. This is for GS Paper 3 Economy. The Reserve Bank said NaBFID will be regulated and supervised as an all India financial institution by it under the RBI Act 1934. The National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development Act 2021, that is the NaBFID Act, received the assent of the President on 28th of March 2021. It came to force with effect from 19th of April 2021. Now, facts to be remembered here are NaBFID has been set up as a development financial institution to support the development of long-term infrastructure financing in India. NaBFID shall be regulated and supervised as an all-India financial institution by the Reserve Bank under sections 45L and 45N of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. It shall be the fifth AIFI after EXIM Bank, NABARD, NHB, and SIDBI, said the Apex Bank. The objective of the National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development, that is NaBFID, to support the development of long-term non-recourse infrastructure financing in India, including development of the bonds and derivatives markets necessary for infrastructure financing and to carry on the business of financing infrastructure. That's it for this explainer. Thank you so much for watching. To join KSG India courses and to crack the ICE exam, visit ksgindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this explainer on ksgindia.com. Thanks for watching.